friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Waluigi from Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the middle with the nose. So right in the middle we're going to curve this around, tucking this over, and then back up on the opposite side. On each side of that now as we come down, we're just going to draw in a curved line on the left and right hand side. Let's draw on the mustache here. So in the center, we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal. And now from the inside, we're just going to curve this up on each side. Now from here, from that point on the top, we're going to tuck that back down and in on the bottom. And now let's connect this. So we're going to curve this into the nose on both sides. Now from here on either side, we're just going to curve a small diagonal line that comes up, and we're going to end that at the same height on each side. We're going to connect the hat here now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line across, tucking that around and in. Let's add in the details here now. So for the eyebrow on either side, arching that up and over on a diagonal. And then on the bottom, again, exact same thing, just curving that up in the opposite direction. Let's frame in the eyes here now. So stepping in, we're going to curve this down to the mustache again. Now moving down above that, curving that over and across towards the nostril. Now let's draw on the eye. So moving into the top, we're going to curve this around and in. Let's add in our pupil here. So directly underneath this, we're going to draw in a circle, a half circle here, connecting that to the top. Let's add in our highlight now. So on the side, we're just going to draw in a circle. And then we'll just color in our pupils black here. Let's move down underneath for the cheek now. So we're going to curve this around, flattening that out, tucking that in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now for the chin on the bottom, let's draw in an arch line, curving this around and back up. Let's draw on the mouth. So on either side, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to connect this on the bottom with a curved line. And now in the center, stepping up, replicating that shape. Now in the middle, let's draw in a straight line coming down. We'll move across, drawing in two more straight lines coming up. We're just going to curve these slightly as we step out, leaving an even amount of space. And now one last time from the edge, finishing that off. Let's continue to come up and frame in the hat now. So on the left-hand side for the brim, we're just going to curve this around and into the middle. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving that around, flattening that out, tucking that into the center. Let's draw on the hat up above. So on the side, we're going to curve this around, coming up on a diagonal, tucking that into the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving this around, through, moving that into the center. Now let's draw in a nice big circle on the top. So from the middle, moving over on the left, we're going to curve this all the way around and down on the right. Let's draw on the upside down L here. So stepping up, we're going to draw in a straight line across. On the left-hand side, we're going to extend this line up. And then on the right, we'll replicate that again, ending that on a diagonal. Now from the side, we're going to pull this line across. We'll do the exact same thing on the top again. And then we're going to flatten this out on the side. Now for the ears on the top, we're going to curve this line out. From that point, let's tuck this back around and into the middle. Now again from here on the bottom, curving this around and through to the cheek. Let's add in the details in the middle of the ear now. So we're just going to curve this up on each side. And then moving down on the bottom, just curving that around and into the cheek again. Let's frame the body now. So on each side, we're just going to curve this line down for the torso. We'll end that at the same height. Now in the middle, let's draw in a small curved line. Let's draw on the overall straps here. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to curve this down, up and in, connecting that to the side. Let's add in a small circle for the button on each side. We're going to flatten this across with a straight line. Now from the center, stepping in, we're going to curve this line down on a diagonal. Exact same thing on the opposite side, ending that at the same height. Now let's step across, lining that up at the same height again, curving that into that corner. We're just going to round the bottom of the pant leg out. Now for the shoes on the back, we're just going to curve this down on a diagonal. We're going to pull this back in. Let's bring this up to the top again. Now from here, we're going to curve this around and up. And now from that point, just arching that back into the middle. On the top, let's curve this up on a diagonal. Now for the arms, we're going to bring this out on a diagonal, tucking that over, bending that at the elbow, pulling that in. Let's step in, so lining that up at the same height, bringing this up and back across. We're going to draw in a sideways oval here for the wrist. Let's draw in the hand here. So for the thumb, curving this around and in. Stepping up for that first finger, curving this around, tucking that in. Again, moving across, arching that up. And then one more time, connecting that on the side. Let's add in a small corner bracket here above. Now let's draw on the letter L. So on the left and right hand side, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming down. On the top, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming across. We're going to extend this even further on the bottom. Now on the inside, pulling this line down. Again, let's come across, bringing that over, ending that at the same width. And then we're going to flatten that out. And that is it. That's how you draw Waluigi from Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.